MCQ में पार्ट नंबर 9 कराने जा रहे हैं, जो आपके एकेटिव एग्जाम एंड अदर यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम के रिगार्डिंग मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है। आइए देखते हैं पार्ट नंबर 9 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। हु एमंग द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन अमेरिकन क्वालिटी गुरु। आपको इसमें से बताना है कि कौन इसमें से अमेरिकन क्वालिटी गुरु है, नहीं है। इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी, इशिकावा। Crosby, Duran, and Deming are quality guru from America. Ishikawa is from Japan and is famous for his development of quality initiatives. He is famous for quality circle development and Ishikawa diagram. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a contribution made by Deming? इसमें से कौन सा ऐसा है ऑप्शन जो कि डीमिंग द्वारा नहीं दिया गया? इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी, टाउची लॉस फंक्शन। Deming's 14-point system of profound knowledge, Deming cycle, and 7 deadly diseases of management was Deming's contribution. Tauchi loss function was developed by the Japanese quality guru Tauchi. Question number 3. According to Deming's 14 points, which of the following is the meaning of adopt the new philosophy? Deming के 14 पॉइंट्स जो जिन्होंने दिया था उसके रिगार्डिंग एडॉप्ट द न्यू फिलोसफी का मीनिंग बताना है। इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी, टू बी अवेयर ऑफ न्यू चैलेंजेज, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एंड टू एडॉप्ट देम। द मैनेजमेंट मस्ट बी अवेयर ऑफ न्यू चैलेंजेज एंड एक्टिविटी respond to them. The leadership for change must be taken. As a result of this, new responsibilities will be assigned to everyone. Question number 4. According to Deming's 14 points, which of the following is the meaning of siege dependence on inspection to achieve quality? इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए, eliminate the need for inspection on a mass basis. The need for inspection on a mass basis must be eliminated. We need to develop quality product in the first place. This is the meaning of Deming's point, siege dependence on inspection to achieve quality. Question number 5. Which of the following does not belongs to Deming's 14 point on route to quality? इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी, start the practice of awarding business on the basis of price tag. Question number 6. Which of the following does not belongs to Deming's 14 point on route to quality? आपको इसमें बताना है कि कौन सा पॉइंट इसमें दिया हुआ है चार ऑप्शन में से जो कि डीमिंग्स के 14 पॉइंट्स के रिगार्डिंग रॉन्ग है। इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी, इन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग। Question number 7. Drive out fear is one of the Deming's 14 point on route to quality. आपको ये बताना है कि क्या ये राइट है या रॉन्ग। इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी, ट्रू। For a company to work effectively, there should not exist any fear within its employees. This will lead to an unhealthy working atmosphere. If fear exists, employees having creative ideas are prevented from proposing their ideas to their seniors. In addition to this, employees don't work to their full potential. Question number 8. Creation of barriers between departments is one of Deming's 14 point on route to quality. क्या स्टेटमेंट सही है या फिर गलत? इसका राइट आंसर होगा रॉन्ग, फॉल्स। ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ बैरियर्स बिटवीन डिपार्टमेंट्स इज वन ऑफ Deming's 14 points on route to quality. The research, design, production and sales team. Question number 9. What is the other name of Deming cycle? आपको इसमें से बताना है कि Deming cycle का दूसरा क्या नाम है। तो इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए, PDCA. The other name of Deming cycle is the PDCA or the PDSA cycle. PDCA cycle means plan, do, check and act. Plan, do, check and act. PDSA cycle means plan, do, study and act. Plan, do, study and act. Deming cycle is a continuous quality improvement model. Question number 10. Which of the following does not belongs to 7 deadly diseases of management? इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी, immobility of top management. The mobility of top management belongs to the 7 deadly diseases of management. If the top management itself is unstable and moves to different companies, then the progress of the company is prevented. It takes time to build a long term. Question number 11. Which of the following does not belongs to 7 deadly disease of management? आपको ये बताना है कि इसमें से कौन सा ऐसा पॉइंट है जो 7 deadly disease of management से रिलेट नहीं है. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी, absence of reliance on financial figure. The concept of running of a company on visible figure alone is considered to be one of the 7 deadly disease of management. Although there is a payroll to meet, suppliers to pay, taxes to pay, and so on, the determination of happy customer takes time, and the result are apparent after some time. Question number 12. What do you mean by system of profound knowledge described by Deming? डीमिंग ने जो डिस्क्राइब किया था सिस्टम ऑफ प्रोफाउंड नॉलेज, उसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? इसका राइट आंसर होगा मैनेजमेंट बाय पॉजिटिव कोऑपरेशन. मैनेजमेंट बाय पॉजिटिव कोऑपरेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए की एलिमेंट ऑफ द 7 सिस्टम ऑफ प्रोफाउंड नॉलेज? की एलिमेंट कौन सा नहीं है इसमें से, आपको सब करना है. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए, हेट्रेड फॉर ए सिस्टम. The appreciation for a system is one of the key elements of the system of profound knowledge. There is a need for managers to understand the relationship between function and activity. The long-term aim for everyone is to win employees, shareholders, customers, suppliers, and the environment. Question number 14. According to Deming's 14 point, the barrier to the pride of workmanship should be. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए, remove. According to Deming's 14 points, the barrier to the pride of workmanship should be removed. For example, the concept of annual or merit rating must be abolished. If management by objectives exist, it should be stopped. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. ये आज का आपका लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. अकॉर्डिंग टू Deming's 14 points, the vigorous program of education and self improvement must be. क्वेश्चन नंबर, इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए, इंस्टीट्यूटेड. अकॉर्डिंग टू Deming's 14 point, the vigorous program of education and self improvement must be instituted. This will help to employees judge themselves and improve on their own without any management pressure. The employees will gain confidence and the working atmosphere will be healthy. ये आपका आज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन था. Please like, share, subscribe this channel.